guys, so I think today is the day where I'm finally gonna go get the tires put onto the car. I didn't want to do it today because I'm kind of tired and I don't want to take the wheels off the car. I guess we're gonna go ahead and do it. I think it's about 2:30 right now, so hopefully I can get the tires to the shop and they can get them back to me today. I'm not gonna take the whole car over there and have them do it. I'm gonna take the wheels off myself. Saves me a little bit of money. I think that's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna start jacking up the car and get the wheels off. But I'm pretty curious to know how these are gonna grip on this car. This car has about 450 horsepower, give or take. I'd say it's right at 400 wheel. The tires that are on it right now are pretty old. They're like old Bridgestones. They look like they've been on the car for a while. And they hook okay. Second gear spins a little bit and third gear hooks pretty good. But these tires are off of eBay. I think they're called Kendas. So I'm pretty curious to see how these tires are gonna grip. I've heard that these are popular within the drifting scene, so they should be pretty decent tires, but for 400 horsepower, you know, they might spin as much as these do. So we'll just have to see, and it'll be pretty fun trying to see how well they hook. I'm gonna get these wheels off. We'll go to the tire shop, and then hopefully they can get them done within the next couple hours. Hopefully they don't have to hold them till tomorrow, but we'll just have to see. So I've got the wheels off and the car securely placed on jack stands. Now I just gotta load all these up into the back of my truck and then head to the tire shop. So we're here at the tire shop and we decided to just sit here and wait. It's gonna be about 25 minutes. Hopefully they can get them done pretty quick, but they are in there. So I'm super curious to see how well the 285 looks on the car. Looking at it right now, it doesn't look too stretched, which is what I'm happy with. Looks about the same as the 295, but I gotta see what they look like on the car. Let's put it on and see. They honestly look wider than the Bridgestone 295s.
Yeah.
Huh. That's good. They look pretty sweet. All right, wheels and tires are on the car and they look really good. Even though I had to downsize all around, they look the exact same as the 275s and the 295s did. So now it's a 265 up front and a 285 in the back. I was afraid that the rear would look a little skinny, but it looks the same. So now we're gonna go for a drive and see how these tires grip. I'm hoping that these things will grip better in second gear than the old Bridgestones did, but we'll just have to put it to the test and find out.
on empty because he's been ripping too hard.
I've only done 2 pulls. Second gear, it hardly spins at all. I mean, it chirps a little, but nothing that makes you scared.
I'd say it was pretty worth it. If you're going for a cheap tire, Kenda is definitely the way to go.